Hi, I'm Jeff Walker with Parking Heater Products. We've been selling fuel-fired heaters and replacement parts for over 10 years, with a combined industry experience of over 30 years. We're dedicated to providing quality heater replacement parts, expert customer service, fast and economical shipping, all backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. Check us out at dksi.com, your trusted source for quality heater products. In this video, we're going to look at our PHP Gen 3 air heater operating switch. This operates both our 2 and 4 kilowatt air heaters. Typically, this switch is mounted in the cabin area that we're heating. We're going to use this mounting bracket fastened to the wall using 2 mounting screws and simply mount the switch, click the switch into place. For demonstration purposes, we've got our 2 kilowatt air heater mounted on our test bench. Let's take a look at it. Startup. To turn the heater on or off, we press and hold the selector switch for 3 seconds. This delay feature ensures we don't accidentally switch the heater on or off. Upon startup, the heater's ECU does a systems check, and then the glow pin is activated for a preheat. After approximately 20 seconds, the blower starts to begin and to introduce combustion air, and the fuel pump starts pulsing to deliver fuel. Once an acceptable change in temperature is achieved, the glow pin is switched off. At that point, any new fuel entering the combustion chamber is ignited by the existing flame. Heat regulation. The Gen 3 air heater has a unique temperature regulation system. Unlike most other air heaters in the market, it can operate in 2 different operating modes: automatic mode and power mode. To switch between the operating modes, we simply press the operating switch. In automatic mode, we can set the target temperature from 10 degrees to 35 degrees in 1 degree intervals. I'm going to set the temperature at 22 degrees centigrade, approximately 72 degrees Fahrenheit. The heater will cycle through multiple heat output levels to maintain this desired temperature. After a short delay, the display will revert back to showing the current cabin temperature. It's important to note that although there's a temperature sensor on the operating switch, the temperature sensor that's used to regulate the heat on the heater is located on the inlet side of the heater. For this reason, it's important that we use return air ducting to properly allow the heater to regulate its temperature effectively. In power mode, we can control the amount of heat output. The power mode ranges from 1.1 to 2.0. 1.1 to 5 for the 4 kilowatt heater. When set in power mode, the heater will operate continuously at this level rather than automatically changing. This mode is more appealing for cab or cargo heating applications. I'm going to set our heater at 1.1 kilowatts. We'll see what the heater does. Note, to prevent soot buildup, I recommend avoiding running the heater at this lowest setting for extended periods. Simply let the heater run in high heat mode for an hour each month. Heater shutdown. When the heater is switched off, either manually or automatically, it requires a cool down period. The fuel pump will continue to pulse for a short period and then stop pulsing. The flame will slowly be extinguished. The glow pin comes on for a short afterglow period to clean off any unburnt fuel residue. And the blower continues to run for a 3-minute cool down and then switches off. The ECU does an initial checkup on startup and continually monitors all components such as the blower motor, fuel pump, glow pin, and temperature sensor. In the event of a failure, the heater will display a fault code on the operating switch. To simulate a fault, I have disconnected the fuel pump. We switch the heater on and the switch will display this fault. When we check out our manual, we confirm that code 7 directs us to the fuel pump circuit. If an auxiliary fuel reservoir is used, the operating switch can monitor fuel levels to advise when refueling is necessary. Press and hold the reservoir button to select a 5-liter, 8-liter, or 10-liter reservoir. Repeat to advance to the next selection. Once selected, the fuel level gauge is reset to the capacity selected. The fuel gauge will reflect the amount of fuel left in the reservoir. Additional features. Here are some additional features. The percentage on the top right corner refers to the burn efficiency. The D symbol on the top right corner refers to the number of days the heater has operated. This number indicates the current altitude. These heaters are equipped to adjust fuel-air mixtures to operate at higher altitudes. So that's my overview on our PHP Gen 3 air heater operating switch. To find out more about the Gen 3 air heaters, installation, operation, troubleshooting, and maintenance and repair, visit our video library. Thanks for watching. Check us out at dksi.com for quality heater products, fast and economical shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.